Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to create a group on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to create a group on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to create a group on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating group on WhatsApp is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing chat icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now at the top, you are seeing new group. Click on it. From here, add the participants of the group. After selecting the participants, click on arrow. Now enter your group name and click on check mark icon at the bottom right corner. Your group is created. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create group on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.